So here's Dave app. Yeah, this is quite interesting in trend in apps these days. Fast cash and banking. So the idea that you can get up to $500 in 5 minutes or less with extra cash. So if you just needing some extra cash instantly, you're like a gas station, whatever. You just don't have any like spare cash. This is the app where you just can get it small amounts and get paid up to 2 days early and so much more. That's another thing, but like effectively you can just get an advance up to $500. Take your finances to the next level with Dave. You can pocket up to $500, get your cash instantly, save on fees and so much more. So yeah, that's the idea here, and you can just go and download this app, and here it is. So then yeah, you can just get it. So yeah, you can just download it and then sign up for Dave, and then just use your email and password, and then just proceed with that. They also have like some debit card which you can use. So yeah, try it out.